Alright, welcome back to the part 2 of the catch a cook and eat it video. The one that we done on Monday with the hawks and the ferrets when we went out catching the rabbits. We're following that on the day. Like I said in the video, if you watch that, we don't let anything go to waste. The rabbits that we catch goes to the goes as food for the ferrets and the hawks. Even the skin goes onto lure machines, and then any meat sort of thing I like to use on my educational programs. So my educational programs, I've got lads in it. It's mainly lads coming from school. It's more of a re-engagement based around falconry, bushcraft, outdoor education. So I like them to see where the meat comes from. It doesn't just come from Sainsbury's. And they love it. They seem to love it. They prepped the rabbits yesterday, and we're going to cook it all off the day. We're going to cook like a rabbit, obviously rabbit, tomato and pepper sort of saucy thing. It looks alright. I don't know what it'll taste like, but it's nice for the lads. They're just off collecting a bit of firewood for me. So this is the setup that we've got today. So just set a little hammock up. I did just originally want to put the tarp up just to keep out the rain. It's still raining, it's still lashing down a bit. But then I just thought I'm going to stick myself a hammock up. The lads normally can off, they do a bit of like collecting firewood. So while over there next to the stream, I'm going to have myself a little lie down while I cook the food. And this is my fire setup. Going to get the fire going with flint and steel and some dry bracken that I've got. I have already got some ready prepped wood there, just in case everything is soaking wet and it's getting cooked off in a Dutch oven. So we're going to see what it works like, what it comes out like. So this is the office for the day. Nice big tarp up there, keeping out the rain. Hammock in my comfortable position, my little place of zen. And then down there the fire's just getting going. Got the Dutch oven ready to get the rabbit in. Now all I could do with it is a little bit of rain. Sound of the fire crackling and rain on the tarp. That's not a bad sound. Right, 2 seconds. Rubber cream on the gun. Done. Right, that's with dinner done. The kids are just away down onto the stream just over the back there, just to find somewhere we can rinse the dishes off. I would say that's a massive success. It was, I don't know what it was. I think it might have been Moroccan or something, but it had like paprika, chilies, tomatoes, lavender, all sorts in it, cream, garlic, onions, and just hide it all in, just mixed it out with the fire. Didn't do any measurements and out like that, we never do. We'll just hide it all in and see what it looks like, hope for the best. But that's a feel to fork there straight away for you. So you've seen the rabbit getting caught by hawk and then ferret, the ones that we used, and then skinned, processed over the fire and cooked up, and it was lovely. So that's what feel to fork, catch a cook and eat it. Now we're just sitting waiting for the fire to go out and having a chill out in the hammock. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, I've got plenty more things planned, plenty more catch a cook and eat it, like fish, all sorts, pheasant. So if you like it, give us a subscribe and a follow and give a little thumbs up. Cheers.